So what is the formula for range of projectile? Consider a projectile with an initial velocity u making angle theta with the horizontal is thrown into air. Then it travels along the path that is parabolic path. You know the motion of the projectile is two-dimensional. So its velocity is resolved into two components, that is horizontal component, vertical component. Horizontal component of velocity ux is u cos theta, vertical component is u sin theta. So then the projectile travels from point of projection to the point where it falls the horizontal plane. So here to here it is called range, horizontal range. So maximum horizontal distance traveled by the projectile during time of flight is called range of the projectile. That is from here to here along the horizontal direction. This is called range of the projectile, denoted by S is equals to R. So maximum horizontal distance traveled by the projectile during a time of flight is called range of the projectile. So formula for projectile. So as the range is concerned with horizontal distance, that is why along the horizontal direction, horizontal component of initial velocity u cos theta. But you know horizontal component of velocity is a uniform or constant, so acceleration is a 0 along the horizontal direction and time is taken as time of flight. So time is time taken by the projectile to travel range is time of flight. So you know the time of flight formula derivation. In the previous video we derived it. So time of flight t is equals to 2u sin theta by c. And yes, R is the maximum horizontal distance called range, that is S is taken as R. We know from second equation of motion S is equals to ut plus half at square. So S means R, u means u cos theta, t means time of flight, plus 1 by 2 into a means 0 into t square, that is t square. So then R is equals to u cos theta, but you know time of flight, that is t means 2u sin theta by g, and this value is a 0. This implies R is equals to u into u square into 2 sin theta into cos theta by g. But you know 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. It is the standard formula. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta by g. So this is the formula for range of the projectile. So 2 sin theta cos theta is given by the standard formula sin 2 theta. So this is a standard formula and this is the formula for range of the projectile. It is a formula for it. It is the range of the projectile.